Hello, my Hope members. So today, for today's video, we're going to be talking about winter birds. I know we talked a little bit about them maybe earlier in December. I don't quite remember, but we're gonna go through a PowerPoint and talk about some American birds or winter birds that you probably see on a daily basis. So we're gonna go through this PowerPoint real quick. Share the screen. Okay. We're gonna talk about winter birds. So the first one I guarantee you see on a daily basis is the American robin. Okay. So it has an orange chest and stomach, which you can see right here. Black head and back. Kind of looks more gray in this picture, and eats a lot of fruit in the fall and winter. So you can catch them around a lot of trees. They pair bond nesting, which means male and female nesting. And they're also known as a songbird. You find quite a few of these here in Michigan. I know I see them almost every day on my drive. So the northern cardinal. So it's named after the Catholic cardinal red outfits. Mainly eats seed and fruits. Both male and female cardinals sing. And the oldest northern cardinal ever recorded was 15 years and 9 months old. Let's play it. You see, they're not your average. They're not really red, right? Like the normal cardinals are. There's one. There's one right there. That's a fat one. A big old bird. All right. Next, we have the blue jay. So the blue jays eat acorns, peanuts, and shells, nuts, sunflower seeds, sunflower chips, and safflower. White or light gray on the belly, which you can see right here. There's a little mixed color right here. A little bit of white, a little bit of gray, and various shades of blue. Very, very pretty shades of blue. You know, blue's my favorite color, so I can appreciate the different shades of blue on this bird. Like you can tell it has some blue on the beak here. Got a little light blue, and then it's fading into a dark blue. Light blue fading into a little bit of black navy blue. Can't really tell there, but and then the coloring right here on the back and the tail. It is a beautiful bird. Very beautiful bird. It is found often near oak trees, forests, towns, cities, and parks. Make a very unique sound. It's kind of I don't know if I can sit here and listen to that all day, but definitely makes an interesting noise. But that is your blue jay. Cooper's hawk. Adults are steely blue-gray with warm reddish bars on the underparts. They stay in wooded habitats from deep forests and leafy subdivisions and backyards. They eat other animals. They are predators, so they eat songbirds, squirrels, and unrendered sweet. Let's look at this bird. It's really zoomed in. I don't think I can zoom in anymore. That is it attacking a squirrel. I will not show you it eating the squirrel if it shows that, but sorry for all you squirrel lovers out there, but this bird is pretty cool looking. This squirrel is testing its luck, man. As you can see, it's very fast and agile. Just the squirrel was a little bit quicker there. There you can see a zoomed in picture of what that looks like. Pause it right there. Look, all the coloring right there. There's the blue gray. You can kind of see it right there. Then you see like the brown. It is a very pretty bird. Well, let me tell you, I would not be one of the animals on the receiving part of meeting up with this bird. The American crow. It is all black, even the bill and legs. Very social, sometimes forming flocks of thousands. Good learners and problem solvers. Lives in fields, open woodlands, and forests. Love where people have left behind trash in public areas. So, I mean, that can be found just about everywhere. There's a good close-up view of it. You guys know what noise crows make? Caw, caw. I'll have to work on our bird noises when we get back in the Hope Center. Maybe we can come up with our own creative bird noises. I think that is the end of the PowerPoint. But there was one set of birds that was left out of the PowerPoint, but owls. As you know, we've talked about this. My favorite owl is the snow owl. That is can be found on Harry Potter. You guys know I love my Harry Potter. But they can be found in barns, trees, fields. They hunt mice. They are nocturnal. So that means they hunt at night. And I know I can't hear you through the video, but I want to hear, make everyone who's watching this video, let them hear you at home. What sound does an owl make? Hoo, hoo. So in the comments, if you're watching these, maybe comment some birds I might have left out that you've seen, maybe your personal favorites. You know, I just talked about owls there, so maybe you can let me know what your favorite kind of owl is, if you like owls, or some other winter birds that you've seen that I forgot to mention. And tell me what you think of the birds I did see you. And let me know if you've seen any of the birds that I just shown you on the PowerPoint. I want to hear back and see if you've seen some of these winter birds. I know I have personally, but I want to hear your guys' experiences. So let me know what you guys thought of the PowerPoint, what you guys think of the birds, and then your favorite birds, maybe some I forgot, and just tell me what you guys think. Like we're having a little discussion, like we're back at Hope Center. Except you don't have to raise your hand, just type in the comment bar, okay? So I will talk to you guys again tomorrow. And I will be posting an afternoon post for a little activity you guys can do at home. So if you're watching this video, I will find something perfect for you guys to do to post. And you guys can have fun like we're at Hope Center, just without Dan, unfortunately. So I will talk to you guys later. have a good holiday. Enjoy the festivities leading up to Christmas, which is 5 days away. And remember my video yesterday, stay warm, stay safe, and have a great time with your families. I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.